So I'm going to show you how to add a photos widget to the home screen of your Galaxy A17 or A17 5G. So you can add a photos widget on the home screen so you can see your favorite photos anytime you go on the home screen of your phone. So long press an empty space on the home screen and then go to widgets. Now under widgets, scroll down and find the gallery collection of widgets. Tap on that. And there are a couple of widgets you can add. I'm going to add this big one. So just tap on it and then tap on add. And then you need to allow access to your gallery. I'm going to allow all for now. And by default, it's going to show all the widgets. All the photos in my gallery. Now I'm going to just send it back to the main home screen like that. And I can also resize it, make it bigger. And then now I can tap on it. I can long press on it and then select settings. Now in the settings, you can choose what images to show. So for instance, you can go and select specific images, or you can select an entire album if you want to. So for me, I'm going to select specific images, select that. I'm just going to choose a couple random images. Of course, you'll select the ones you want. And then once you tap on done, you can see I have 4 images selected. Now, like I said, you can choose a specific album that you've sorted all the photos you want appearing on your home screen. Anyway, tap on save and that's it. You now have your photo widget on the home screen of your Galaxy A17. Thanks for watching. Good luck.